friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you two types of sandwiches. So let's start with veg sandwich. Here I have 4 slices of 100% whole wheat bread, olive oil to make the stuffing, chopped cabbage, spinach, grated paneer, coriander leaves and fresh lemon, yellow, orange and green bell pepper, carrot, onion, 2 chopped green chilies, ginger, celery, cumin seeds, chili flakes, mustard seeds, dry crushed curry leaves. Here I have oregano, white pepper, lemon pepper, paprika, chaat masala, salt to taste, butter, green chutney and tomato ketchup. Turn on the gas. Keep the flame high. Two tablespoons olive oil, cumin seeds half tablespoon, mustard seeds half tablespoon, chopped green chili and 4 tablespoons chopped onion. Two tablespoons chopped celery, 2 tablespoons chopped orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper 2 tablespoons, green bell pepper 2 tablespoons, carrot 4 tablespoons and cabbage 50 grams. Now I will add in the center chopped ginger 2 tablespoons. Now I will keep the flame medium and will add chopped spinach. Here I have approximately 25 to 30 leaves of spinach. Now I will add grated paneer. Here I have 200 grams paneer. You can keep the stuffing in the fridge for few days. Now I will add chopped coriander 4 to 6 tablespoons, salt to taste, white pepper, paprika, lemon pepper, as much you want, oregano, chili flakes, crushed curry leaves, stir it gently. Cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we have to check. Now I will add lemon juice. Sandwich stuffing is done. Turn off the gas and let it cool for few minutes. Now I will add little bit chaat masala, mix it well. I will add tomato ketchup, spread well, and one side green chutney. This side I will apply little bit butter. Now I will grill them. Keep the flame slow. I will add little bit butter. Grill them 1 minute for each side. Now we have to flip the other side. Wow, looks yummy. We have to grill other side 1 more minute. Our veg sandwich is done. See, it's really look yummy. It's crunchy sandwich. Now I will make chutney sandwich. So I have to cut the edge. Here I have 3 slices of white bread. You have to apply tomato sauce. Mustard sauce. And green chutney. Now I will add one more plain size bread. You have to cut. See the color? We have to start with two types of sandwiches are ready, veg sandwich and chutney sandwich. If you like my recipe, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.